Very scripted.
This is the FASEANATHAN.
The FASEANATHAN.
Welcome to Sean.
Welcome to Sean. Wait, no, you do Sean and I'm a fan. Should we say it together but do our hands whenever it's our names?
Yeah. Sean.
Or should we say Seanathan?
Wait, give it like a moment. Don't let it like overlap. Sean.
Imagine.
Hi. Hi, and welcome to Sean. Have you ever been like a needy ex?
I think in the past I was needy.
How so?
Well, I mean, like, my first relationship I was needy, but it was my first relationship. I feel like that's kind of like your learning curve, you know?
How old were you?
I was 17. And then I just came out. It was my first gay relationship. So first serious relationship, first time being in love. Really the first person I ever had sex with. So there was like a lot of jealousy, unknown emotions, like I didn't know how to deal with, especially jealousy. Jealousy I feel like is one of the hardest emotions to overcome. Like with my first boyfriend, I was still kind of unsure about my sexuality, oddly enough. I couldn't say a girl was prettier, he'd get mad. I couldn't say a guy was cute, he'd get mad. So then that kind of like, then I kind of reciprocated that jealousy, but not as severely.
Well, because it's like normalized.
Yeah. So then I went to my second relationship and that boyfriend wasn't like needy at all. And so then that threw me off because I just came out of one where I was like suffocated and was given an abundance of way too much emotion to like having none. Like our 6-month anniversary, I was his first real boyfriend, so I thought it was kind of a big deal. It was half a year, which I know it's not really huge, but I thought we could spend it together.
I mean, that's a road mark.
Yeah, and so I got him roses and everything, and then I was at his parents, and his parents were all excited, like, yay, 6 months, and like we'd been drinking, because they wanted to celebrate it with us.
That's cute.
And then he came home and ended up going out and leaving me.
Oh.
Barbarella's, actually.
That's kind of, I mean,
it was awful, yeah.
Was that a turning point?
That moment? No, that's the sad part. I repeated like the same thing in my first 3 relationships where I let people get away with way too much.
Oh my god, I mean, I am like the queen of that. The queen. My mother would always say to me, it's like, you deal with things until you will not deal with them, and then it's just like done. I used to always believe if someone was in your life and you love them that you'd do anything to keep them in your life, but if you really love someone, you let them go. So yeah, my ex would always say to me, he'd be like, well, you promised this, that you would blah blah blah, and it's like, if you're actually treating somebody terribly, like, no, I'm not gonna stick around, I'm not going to endure being treated like shit.
Why would I want to?
Right, exactly. Like, you make those promises under the circumstances that things are going the way they're going. Great, yeah, cool, good. Yeah, I'm in for it. But like, if there's a shift.
Or like, have you ever done that like promise like with your boyfriend at the time, like, no matter what, we'll always be in each other's lives?
No, you always hope.
And you love him. Yeah.
I always hope for that. It just depends on the kind of person that they are. You know, but most of the time people kind of grow beyond their partner. You're just like different people, and so you're not really serving each other.
Yeah. Can you make yourself burp?
I just did it a little bit.
You're gagging. No, you're not giving a blowjob.
Oh.
No.
Oh, I'm not?
Just burp.
Oh, I'm sorry. So anyways, where are you going? You're gonna
I want to try something on.
Oh my god, you look like a little, like, you look like Hansel. Oh, hello, sir. Welcome to the show. I am your host, Bruno. I am 17 years old, and I am fresh, funky, and fierce.
Yeah.
I love that movie.
Oh, that was actually a Bruno impersonation. I didn't make that connection.
You keep your friends close and your enemies even closer so that you can make money off of them one day. Isn't that right? Isn't that right?
Yeah. That's good, right?